This is Mahesh. In this session, we are going to see boats and streams. So, problems on boats and streams. Okay, this is the last topic in time, speed, distance. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you have to know certain words and their meanings before start into the boats and streams. So, what are those? Man speed, boat speed, speed in still water. All these three means the same. Man speed, boat speed, speed in still water, which is nothing but if there is no movement in water, a man can row certain kilometer per hour. For example, I could row 10 kilometer per hour. 10 kilometer in 1 hour if there is no movement in water means that is man speed or boat speed. The speed in still water, which is nothing but movement doesn't be there. Okay. Next, stream speed, current speed, river speed. All these three means the same. So there is movement in water. So that movement has some speed. For example, if there is a river which is flows from north to south, okay, so which should have certain speed to reach south from north. Am I right? Okay, that speed is called river speed or current speed or stream speed. Okay, a river should have speed to reach one place to another place. Okay, that speed is stream speed or current speed or river speed. They will be mentioning like that in this question. Upstream or against the stream. What is upstream? Upstream or against the stream, both means same. So you are going against the stream from north to south. The river goes from north to south means you are going from south to north, which means you are going against the water. So against the water's flow, which means that is upstream. You are going against the water flow. That. Next, downstream, along the stream. So you are going with the flow of the water. From north to south, the river is flowing means you are also going from north to south. That means that is downstream. You are going along the stream, along the water, along with the water speed. That's all the words you need to know. These words all will be there in the question. Okay. So when there is boat speed or speed in still water or man speed, everything means the same meaning. The movement, the fast of a man can row in a water. That is water, there is no movement in the water. That is the meaning. Okay, like that everything you need to know. And at the same time, if you have the value of man speed and river speed, you could find upstream and downstream. Okay, how you could find? We'll see. Upstream is nothing but man speed minus stream speed. For example, I told you that my speed is 10 km per hour in still water. If I am going against the stream means my speed will not be 10 km per hour. Why? Because stream will reduce my speed because I am going against the water speed. So for example, take the water speed as 2 km per hour, which means if I go 10 km per hour, water will pull me and reduce my speed to 8 km per hour because it will reduce 2 km per hour because water speed is 2 km per hour. That's it. So if man speed is 10 km per hour, stream speed is 2 km per hour means upstream is 8 km per hour. Done. Next, downstream is nothing but you are going along the water. Water has certain speed and you have certain speed. So both the speed will be there together to reach a certain destination. Okay, you are going 10 km per hour and river is also pushing you 2 km per hour. Totally you could reach 12 km in 1 hour. So that is downstream. Next, if downstream and upstream is given, how can you calculate man speed and stream speed? So man speed is nothing but downstream plus upstream divided by 2. So if you want to find out the man speed, downstream plus upstream, together you will get 2 times of normal speed. Because while coming down, you will be added every time with stream speed. While going up, you will be removing stream speed every time. So both will get cancelled. So you will get 2 times of man speed. That is why we are dividing it by 2. So downstream plus upstream divided by 2 will give you man speed. Very simple. While coming down, downstream, your speed will be your man speed plus stream speed will be there. While going up, man speed plus minus stream speed. When you cancel these two, you will get 2 times of man speed. That is why you are dividing it by 2. So instead of downstream, if you place man speed plus stream speed, instead of upstream, man speed plus minus stream speed, you will get stream speed. So 2 times of man speed is what you will get. That is why you are dividing it by 2. Okay. Next one, stream speed. The same case. When you subtract downstream minus upstream, you will get 2 times of stream speed. So divided by 2, you will get the stream speed. So these 4 formulas you need to know. This is not a formula. This is a real-time thing. If you want to go against water, that is upstream, your speed will be reduced. You automatically know. Everyone will know that. Okay? That's all. These all are important to solve boats and streams. Let's get into the problem. Okay? The first problem. A boat can travel with a speed of 15 km per hour in still water. If the speed of the stream is 5 km per hour, find upstream and downstream speed. So, a boat can go 15 km per hour in still water. What does it mean? Man speed or boat speed, everything same. Man speed is, we always use man speed. Man speed is 15 km per hour. And what is stream speed? River speed, stream speed is 5 km per hour. If you have both, you could find upstream and downstream. What is upstream? So, we'll write down. What is upstream? Upstream is equal. So upstream is equal to man speed plus, is it plus or minus? Man speed minus stream speed. Why you are putting minus here? Because which will reduce your speed and you go against. A reduce, that is why I am minus, using minus. So 15 km per hour minus 5 km per hour, which is equal to 10 km per hour. What is my upstream speed? Upstream speed is 10 km per hour when man speed is 15 and stream speed is 5. Okay. Next one is downstream. What is downstream? Downstream, we know that so man speed plus stream speed. Why you are adding stream speed with man speed? Because while going down, your speed will be increased by stream speed. So total 15 plus 5, you will get 20 km per hour. That's all the solution you have. So you have to add when you are going in the downstream. If you have to subtract when you go against the stream. That's it. Next question. A boat can travel with a speed of 10 km per hour in upstream and 20 km downstream. Find man speed in still water and stream speed. Okay. The same question here. We got the answer here, 10 km and 20 km. That 10 km upstream and 20 km downstream is given here. So you need to get the answer as 15 km per hour and 5 km per hour as the still water speed and stream speed. Okay. How will you get? We'll check. So first thing is you have to find man speed. What is man speed? So we know that man speed is nothing but downstream. I am just using down and up instead of downstream and upstream. So down plus up divided by 2. What is downstream speed here? It is 20 km per hour. And what is upstream speed here? 10 km per hour. So divided by 2 will be the answer. So 20 plus 10, 30 km per hour. 30 km per hour divided by 2, which is nothing but 15 km per hour. Okay, that's all. The next one, what is that? You have to find stream speed. You know that stream speed is nothing but difference divided by 2. Stream speed is difference divided by 2 and man speed is sum divided by 2. Why? Which is sum and difference is what explained here. Okay, done. So stream speed, you know that down minus up divided by 2. So equal to 20 km per hour minus 10 km per hour divided by 2. So 20 minus 10, you will get 10. So 10 kilometer per hour divided by 2, which is equal to 5 kilometer per hour. So you got the answer from the question. Okay, that's all. And at the same time, you need to know these words. If you know all these, then you could solve easily. If they ask you what is the ratio of downstream and upstream, what you will do? And then downstream and upstream here, if they are asking you to find the ratio of downstream and upstream here, the ratio is 2:1, because downstream and upstream 2:1. If they are asking the ratio of man speed to stream speed in this question, so 15:5, which is nothing but 3:1. That's what you have to answer. Man speed to stream speed. That's all here.